Omuhlekela is currently trending on social media, but unfortunately it's for all the wrong reasons, as serious allegations have surfaced against the media personality and businesswoman. Several former employees have come forward claiming they went for months without receiving their salaries, which allegedly pushed them to finally break their silence and expose what was happening behind the scenes at her salon. According to the reports circulating online, the situation escalated to the point where Omuhle was reportedly kicked out of the salon premises, adding fuel to the already heated controversy. Matters appear to have worsened even further, with claims that she has since received a legal summons linked to the ongoing dispute. As the story continues to gain traction, social media users are divided, with some demanding accountability while others wait to hear Omuhlekela's side of the story as this unfolding drama keeps Mzansi glued to their screens. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.